You can use the projector's built-in toolbar to annotate images from a video source. For example, this could be a DVD player that you have hooked up to your projector. On the remote control, press the Video Source button located near the top. You can press the button multiple times to cycle through the different video sources that are available. Once you have the source chosen and the image is being displayed, tap the board with the pen to activate the toolbar. You'll then see arrow icons appear on the left and right side of the projected image. To display the toolbar, tap one of the icons with the pen. On the toolbar, you'll be working in Annotation mode. Annotation mode displays the built-in toolbar on whatever image is being displayed. In this case, it's an image from a video source. The built-in Annotate toolbar has a number of annotation tools, including pens, highlight, and erase tools. The other tools to note can be found near the top of the toolbar. Here you'll find the Freeze tool for freezing the video action on screen. This creates a screen capture, but the video itself will keep playing. This button does not actually pause the player. There is also a Zoom tool that you can use to zoom into an area of the displayed image. This built-in toolbar provides fewer functions than the easy interactive tools on your computer. For example, you cannot save your work with the built-in toolbar. If you want to save, you can connect a computer to the projector and use the easy interactive tools.